Hey guys, we're back again! In our last video, we discussed the basics of carbon footprints.
And now we're going to learn how to reduce carbon footprints as an individual or as a family. We have identified some simple ways in which we can contribute.
First is the house we live. Let us see how we can model our house to reduce the carbon footprints.
A. The size of the house. We have to see if the house meets our needs, or are we taking a much bigger house more than our requirement to show off, which will increase our ecological footprints and also carbon footprints.
B. Design and construction. This is how the house is constructed, the ventilation, walls, heating or cooling system that will be needed.
C. Connectivity and commute. Well, I can't live too far and spend on transport, hence, commuting to offices and schools is to be worked out, as this will add up emissions based on the transportation we take.
We took an apartment and not an individual house to save the ecological footprints, as an apartment concept will have multiple people sharing the same piece of ground.
It also gives my dad a good saving. Yeah!
We have good ventilation and almost all walls have full-length glass doors. This saves lighting costs in daytime.
We have ventilation methods like doors can be tilted, a rooftop ventilation for good airflow, and we avoid air cons or seldom use fans as we have good breeze.
These full-length doors have thick double-walled glass and reduce the heat transfer. Summers are cooler inside and winters are warmer. This gives us very good saving in power.
Our apartment has floor heating with pumps circulating underground water. This system is very popular in the EU and saves fossil fuel costs and emissions.
We have controllers for heating which are set at an optimum temperature to efficiently use the circulation.
The rooms which do not need the heating or we don't use much, we shut the controllers.
Secondly, equipment in the house. Most of the time, we don't have much control in the house or apartment we live, as 99% have to opt for a place which is economical or travel easy or due to other family or personal commitments.
However, we have full control on the equipment we buy. We see all equipment which comes with eco-tag are expensive, so at least we can look for the one in the intermediate range. Lights, cooking range, television set, refrigerator, washing machine, gadgets, and etc.
We have purchased energy-saving lights, installed what is required for good illumination and to read in the evening or night. No fancy lights and show off.
Another way of saying GHG or carbon footprints is to reduce garbage generation for these products. Try to buy in second-hand sale. These products have much life, however, many want to go for the next version or model, or few have to dispose of them as they may get transferred to other places. In this case, I tell you, even if the product has a mid-range of power consumption, we should buy and use it. Measure the power consumption and then plan for eco-disposal. Thirdly, our habits. Timely activities. Everyone likes to have long hot showers, but making this a habit is totally not helping to reduce your carbon footprint. So be wise, save power, and another important element, the water.
Cooking. Cook what is needed and monitor not to overheat, spoil, or reheat. Use less to high power consuming items like microwaves, oven, etc.
Eating the cooked food on time. We see most of us eat the food after it is cooked at some early stage, unless we cook for the full day or more than one meal at a time. Reheating to be avoided.
Sleep on time and not overuse equipment. Optimum use of the washing machine.
Buy clothing, shoes, and other personal products where companies have taken measures or at least started some initiatives. By doing so, the others who have not wished to protect climate will phase out or have to follow.
Avoid or reduce excessive eating, packaged food, and wastage. Here also support companies who take efforts.
Carry water bottles with us.
Fourthly and lastly, transport and commute. This contributes max as this is unavoidable. Well-planned commute will reduce carbon footprints to a great extent.
Use public transport, bicycles as far as possible. Plan sustainable travel or holidays. Thank you guys for watching the video and hope you follow these tips on how to reduce your carbon footprints.
Be happy and stay safe. Bye!